You've got a raw file in DaVinci Resolve and you've cut it up into multiple smaller clips to make edits. You switch over to the color page, select the first clip in the timeline, and then you click here to open the camera raw settings. You go and make some changes to get things looking how you want them to. But when you click on these other clips, the camera raw settings haven't been applied to these other clips. Let's copy those raw settings to the other clips. There is a problem with what I'm about to show you, but I'm also going to show you how to fix it. Select one or more of these other clips and then use your middle mouse button to click on this clip. You may see a message asking if you want to replace the grades. Click on replace, and now all of these other clips have exactly the same camera raw settings as the first one. But here's the problem. Let's reset all of that so we no longer have any changes to the camera raw settings. One common practice in color grading is to select clips and add them into a group for that kind of camera. In this case, it was the Nikon ZR shooting red raw. Now you've got these extra buttons at the top where we can go and do color grading, applying it to the entire group. We're currently not on the individual clip color grading, we're on the group pre-clip. This could also be the group post-clip. Group pre-clip just means that all of the changes in the nodes will apply to all of the clips in that group. Select the first clip and then make some changes to these camera raw settings. If we try and do what we did before, select all the clips and click with the middle mouse button or the scroll button on this clip and choose replace, you can see that the camera raw settings from this first clip haven't been copied to these other clips. To fix that, you need to make sure you select clip. You can also do it from this drop down. In other words, make sure you're not on group pre or post clip. Make sure you're on clip, select the clips, use the middle mouse or scroll wheel, press that down, and this time you can see that the camera raw settings have been copied through to all of these other clips.